Today we have the unboxing and assembly of the Vevor bead seeder. Now, if you've worked in a tire store before, you might know this by many nicknames, including the Big BJ. Let's get to it. There's an explodey picture, but we don't need no thinking instructions. And there's the business end. And looks like Vevor decided they didn't want us to have to do a lot of assembly because they done most of it for us. Pretty much all that's left to be done is thread this dumaflachi into the hickey-madooger. When you get it where you want it to be, turn the locking collar, fill it full of air, and go to work. This device, of course, has a 5-gallon capacity. It is approximately 16.5 inches long. It stands up about 12 inches high, about 10.5 without the handle. The important bits stick out 12 inches. It has a gauge bathed in liquid, goes up to 200 pounds, but don't put 200 pounds in this. The recommended operating pressure is between 85 and 116 pounds. So a brass ball valve with a stainless steel ball. Look at the size of that opening. Should be able to dump a lot of air really quick. Looks like it already has the M-style fitting on there. That's the fitting I use, so hey, don't even have to change that. Let's see how long it takes to fill up. Should be able to see the dial here. All right, turn this ball valve off. I don't hear any leaking. So it seems to be holding all the pressure in there. I don't have a tire to install right now, so let's try something a little more fun. We've got the most water in the jug on the left, less water, even less water, and no water. Ready? Oh, it has some kickback. And it drifted a little to the right, so I kind of missed the one with all the water in it. And that one's way out there, man. Woo!